Hello, this is Candace with Catz Studios, and I'm going to show you how to use our new multi-size drawing circles. First, I'm going to set up some registration points, and I'm using the Catz Studios spacing guide to do this. This one is 3/4 inch spacing. Use a spacing guide. You can make registration marks with no math. So I'm just going to use my little blue pen here, and you just poke your pen into each hole to create perfectly spaced registration marks. Now the spacing guide comes in a set of 6 different increments to make it easy to make any kind of registration marks you need. So we'll put those aside for now. And we're going to take and use the Gentle Waves ruler to do our testing here. The spacing guides, each one has a different size hole to accommodate different types of pens. You can go all the way from ultra fine hole size up to a really big one that fits things like big expo markers, dry erase markers. The one we need for the Pilot G2 drawing pen, which I'm using right now, is the blue one. That's the one that fits. And each drawing circle set comes with a guide to tell you what pens match what color of drawing circles. So the way it works is there's a hole here in the middle. You just basically stick your pen in, and what you're doing is you're simulating what happens when you're stitching with a long arm hopping foot. A long arm hopping foot is a 1/2 inch in diameter, and its needle is centered directly in the center, which is a 1/4 inch away from the sides. Therefore, when you're stitching, your stitch line is always 1/4 inch from the edge of your long arm ruler. So we're going to line up our long arm ruler here. I'm going to insert the pen tip in the hole, and then I'm just going to run the circle, let it roll against the edge of the long arm ruler. So now I have replicated a stitching line. Now I'll do a couple more. Pin in the hole, roll it against the edge of the ruler. Now you can use your long arm rulers as design tools. You get the same accurate placement as the stitching will happen with your long arm. So be sure to check out barncatzstudio.com for your multi-size drawing circle set, Gentle Wave ruler, and the spacing guides.